Vocabulary.com.
Untuk practice the dialogue yang tadi ya, Faiza, I want you to be Nia, and other participants, Kuku, I want you to be Dimas and Faiza. Dimas, you start, please.
Hey, Nia.
Hey, Dimas.
Are you going to the post office?
Yes, I am. I'm going to mail this letter to a friend of mine.
I'm afraid that the post office is closed now. It's lunch hour.
Gee, I didn't know it would be closed. What time will it open again?
It won't open again until 1 o'clock.
Thanks, Dimas. I'll just hang around until 1 then.
Okay, good. Can you make Dinda and Gaisan? I want you to practice this. Gunakan intonasi yang benar. Start, Dimas. Gaisan, start, please.
Hey, Nia.
Hi, Dimas.
Are you going to the post office?
Yes, I am. I'm going to mail this letter to a friend of mine.
I'm afraid that the post office is closed now. It's lunch hour.
Gee, I didn't know it would be closed. What time will it open again?
It won't open again until 1 o'clock.
Thanks, Dimas. I'll just hang around until 1 then.
Good, Nia. Okay. Torik and Safira. Safira, unmute yourself. Ya. Se-natural mungkin ya.
Dimas.
Tapi ngomong betulan. Oke.
Hey,
Yes.
Nia. Hi, Dimas. Are you going to the post office? Yes, I am. I'm going to mail this letter to a friend of mine. I'm afraid that the post office is closed now. It's lunch hour. Gee, I don't know. It will be closed. What time will it open again? It won't open again until 1 o'clock. Thanks, Dimas. I'll just hang around until 1 then.
Oke. Masukkan. Tadi saya bilang kalau question word question itu nadanya turun. What time will it open again? Repeat after me. What time will it open again?
What time will
will open again?
Listen and repeat. What time will it open again?
What time will it open again?
Okay, thank you. Now let's continue to the next.
Masih bisa.
We are going to do activity 3. I will give you a quiz and I will ask somebody who raise your hand. We are going to do a quiz. Kita akan mengerjakan quiz. Quiz ini tentang percakapan tadi. Ada 2 percakapan. Yang pertama antara Rosie and the worker, post office worker. Yang kedua antara Dimas, between Dimas and Nia. I'm going to show you the quiz. If you can answer it, raise your hand using the reaction code like this. If you are correct, you can see it in the quiz. Okay, look at the screen now. Remember, if you can answer it, raise your hand. Can you post it after every person? Oh no. Yeah, Kuku. Kuku, click.
True.
Which one? Yes?
True.
True.
Yes.
Wait for number 2.
Oh. Not mentioned.
Wait. Which one is the answer? Indira.
True.
Indira? The
True.
answer is true. Good. Next question. This is number 4. What's the answer? Unmute yourself first.
False, miss. False.
False. Yeah, good. Next question. Wait until emphasis. Yeah, next question. Raise your hand. Yeah, Gaisan.
True.
True. Yeah, good. Next. Oh, sorry. On the street. On the street. It should be on the street. Next.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Next question. Raise your hand. Yeah, Naya.
Not mentioned.
Not mentioned.
Oh, false.
False. What is she going to do? Remember what she is going to do?
Hanging around.
Hang around. Very good. Now, this question. Anybody?
Not mentioned.
Jason.
True.
True?
Not
Wait.
mentioned.
Ah,
Not mentioned. The correct
oh
answer is
my
not mentioned.
God.
Okay. Now, let's continue to... Oh, sorry. Rosie's grandma lives in the USA. Arfa.
True.
True. Let's see. Yeah, you are right. Is that the last question, Dita? Yeah. Let's move on to the next activity. Activity 6, Dip. Student book activity 6. Wait for another activity. Student book activity 6. Another quiz. I'll give you another quiz. This is about a questions and response. Again, if you can answer it, raise your hand. Sorry, there is something wrong. Activity to be. Share screen. Activity to be. Yeah, you said activity 6 cannot be posted. Yeah. Yeah. What time will the post office close for lunch? What time? Look at the end. Lisa,
From 12 to 1.
what time will the post office close for lunch? Yeah, right. Let's wait for the next question. Raise your hand if you can answer it. Raise your hand.
Yours a money
Naya
order.
again. Naya. Now look at this question. Can I send money to someone in another city by post? What's the response?
Sure.
Sure. Yeah. The following question. Don't forget to use raise hand code. When will the addressee get my letter by special delivery? Yeah, Dena?
In 2 days.
In 2 days. Good. Next question. What time does the post office open? Which one is the correct answer? Arfa?
At
Which one?
8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock. Let's see. Yeah,
Oh.
you are right. I want you now to work in pairs. I want you now to work in pairs. Can you set up breakout room? You will be divided in separate rooms. I'll give you a situation. Perhatikan situasinya. You are at the post office. One of you is the customer, and the other one is the post office worker. You will send, you want to send a packet to Surabaya, to a person in Surabaya. Okay, make a dialogue between you and the post office worker. Again, make a dialogue between you and the post office worker. You want to send a package to a cousin in Surabaya. Don't forget to open the dialogue with greeting, like, hello, good afternoon. And then the post office will say, yes, can I help? And close the dialogue with pre-closing by saying, well, that's all. And the response.
Sampai jam berapa, Miss?
In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. You have to make the dialogue in 5 minutes.
Nggak ngerti, Miss.
Okay. Ini kan speaking class. Kalian harus bikin dialog, bikin percakapan. Sepasang-sepasang. Kalian akan bekerja sepasang-sepasang. Oke, nanti akan dibagi. Kita ada breakout room. Kita akan dibagi berdua-berdua. Kalau nggak kebagian berdua-berdua, ada yang ketiga. Kalian akan dibagi untuk bekerja berpasangan, bikin percakapan antara satu dan yang lain. Jadi kan tadi sepasang ya. Satu orang harus jadi post office customer, satu lagi jadi post office worker. The customer wants to send a package to a cousin in Surabaya. Percakapan harus diawali dengan greeting, diakhiri dengan pre-closing dan closing. Pre-closingnya bisa, that's all, thank you. Responsnya, a pleasure atau you're welcome. Closingnya bisa, goodbye. Responsnya bisa the same, goodbye. Atau see you, goodbye. Oke? Percakapannya, asal udah masuk unsur-unsur itu, gunakan semua vocab yang sudah kita pelajari,
5 menit, Miss.
yang cocok, kemudian ada satu pakai will. Hafiz, you want to ask me a question? Yes?
Iya, Miss. Itu kita milih partnernya bebas.
Enggak, kalian akan di break dari sini. Oke, kita coba ya sekarang.
Oke.
Breakout room, please. One, two, three, go. Indira.
Excuse me. I'd like to send this package to Surabaya, please.
Sure, you have to write the address and the person's name.
Sorry,
Indira?
can I have a pen?
Sure.
Thank you. How long it take?
It takes 3 days.
Excuse me, how long
Good.
will it take? How long will it take? It will take 3 days.
It will take 3 days.
Okay. Agree to it.
Good.
Thank the worker,
Good.
please. Thank the worker.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Excuse me. I'd like to send this package to the Surabaya, please?
Sure. You have to write the address and the person's name.
Sorry, can I have a pen?
Sure.
Here it is. Yeah.
How long will it take?
It will take 3 days.
Good. My cousin will reserve it in Surabaya. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Okay, now mute yourself. Mute yourself, Indira and Ola. This time, Gaisan and Arfa. Gaisan and Arfa, unmute yourself. Please practice with me. Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'd like to send a package to my cousin in Surabaya.
Okay. Use airmail or special delivery.
Let's see. How long does it take to use airmail?
7 until 10 days.
How long does it take to use this special delivery?
It's 5 days, I think.
Okay, I'll use the special delivery. How much is the
Okay.
price?
10,000 rupiah.
Okay, here you go. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Then, Miss.
Yeah, very good. We will end this meeting. Kita akan segera berakhir. Ini udah selesai. Tugasnya adalah kalian bikin video berdua, pakai WhatsApp call boleh, video.
Pakai Zoom aja, Miss.
Pakai Zoom boleh, tapi direkam ya. Nanti rekaman kirim ke saya. Jangan terlalu panjang.
Miss.
Wait a minute. Kalau terlalu panjang biasanya nggak bisa dikirim. Gitu.
Sama partnernya, Miss.
Sama partner kamu yang tadi. Ingat kan?
Masih.
Pakai yang dialog yang saya tadi nggak apa-apa kan, Miss?
Boleh. Oke. Cuma ada beberapa tadi yang perlu diperbaiki. Nanti akan saya kasih feedback perbaikannya setelah saya lihat video kamu. Oke? Apakah semua mengerti? Show me your thoughts.
Deadline-nya kapan nih?
Deadline-nya kalian sanggup malam ini?
Enggak.
Insya Allah.
Sekarang hari apa?
Enggak, Miss. Enggak sanggup.
Nggak sanggup. Oke, kalau gitu besok malam atau Senin?
Bisa,
Miss.
Siapa mau tanya?
Saya, Miss.
Raise your hand. If you want to ask a question, raise your hand.
Miss, tadi saya main Dira diulang lagi nggak, Miss?
Boleh yang itu. Itu udah bagus. Ya?
Itu boleh kan, Miss? Nggak usah bikin lagi kan?
Boleh dipakai. Kemudian Gaisan dengan Arfa. Torik dengan siapa tadi? Torik?
Sama